As human beings, we all have limitations. And our aspirations, our ambitions, our zeal and desire to do good can sometimes be greater than our abilities and our capabilities. And that's a very challenging thing. You know, when we're in a time of spirituality and spiritual growth and spiritual development, there's a lot that maybe we want to do, right? When you look around the world today, there might be a lot of people that you'd like to help, but we don't maybe have the ability or the capability to be able to reach them, to be able to help them, or any of the other good things that we would want to do. But the Prophet ﷺ, in a beautiful hadith, tells us how we can get the reward of that, and we can still benefit from that goodness, even though we might not be capable of doing it, or I might not be the right person to do it, but I can still get a share and a stake in the good and the reward of it. And that is, the Prophet ﷺ states, "Ad-dalu ala al-khayri kafa'ilihi," that the person who guides, who directs to something good, is as if the person has done it themselves. He is like the person who actually delivers. And think about the level of mercy within that. I might want to build a masjid. I might want to establish an orphanage. I might want to help my brothers and sisters in need. There's a number of different things, but I might not have the ability or the capability to do so. But I know someone else who can do it. I know someone else who's capable of it. So what I will do is, I will connect that person to that cause. I will direct that person towards that goodness. I will encourage that person, motivate that person, inspire that person, facilitate for someone else to do the thing that I really, really wish I could do. And as a result of that, not only will that good deed be done, that khair, that goodness will be brought about, that person will profoundly benefit from all the goodness and the reward that will come from performing that deed. But I will also benefit simply by virtue of directing that person and connecting that person to that good opportunity. And that presents to us how powerful and how beautiful it is to be a part of the ummah, to be a part of the jama'ah, to be a part of the collective, that we're all working together in unison, achieving greatness and achieving so much good when we work together and when we support and help one another. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allow us to always be a part of something good.
होली खेल रहे भोलेनाथ, देखो गौर what makes healthcare truly personal to you? It's in the everyday conversations that catch what others miss, building trusted relationships one checkup at a time, listening to your needs at every stage of life, and protecting the heart that carries you through it all. At TriHealth, we're getting care right by proactively treating the whole person, because when one of us does better, we all do better. TriHealth.
लठ बजाऊं, तेरी होली में छुड़वाऊं, पड़ा तो है चाव रे। होली खेले तो आइयो मोरे गाँव रे, होली खेले तो आइयो मोरे गाँव रे। अरे होली खेले तो आइयो मोरे गाँव रे। छीन लूं मुरली पीतांबर कट लहंगा पहनाऊं, छीन लूं मुरली पीतांबर कट लहंगा पहनाऊं। अरे नैनन सुरमा होठा लाली चुनरी शीश उठाऊं, नैनन सुरमा होठा लाली चुनरी शीश उठाऊं। तोहे सुंदर नार बनाऊं, तोहे यशोदा निकट न जाऊं, जो लग जाए दाव रे। होली खेले तो आइयो मोरे गाँव रे, होली खेले तो आइयो मोरे गाँव रे। अरे होली खेले तो आइयो मोरे गाँव रे। यशोदा ने कैसे जाया होगा गारी दे ब्रज नारी, यशोदा ने कैसा जाया होगा गारी दे ब्रज नारी। होली का तो है मजा चखा दे याद करे महतारी, होली का तो है मजा चखा दे याद करे महतारी। कान खोल के सुनदारी के आइयो आइयो मतवारी के दिखा मत ताव रे। होली खेले तो आइयो मोरे गाँव रे, होली खेले तो आइयो मोरे गाँव रे। अरे होली खेले तो आइयो मोरे गाँव रे। पाँच सात ग्वालों को लेके करता फिरे बरजोरी, पाँच सात ग्वालों को लेके करता फिरे बरजोरी। गली गली में शोर मचावे राधा गोरी गोरी, गली गली में शोर मचावे राधा गोरी गोरी। अब तूने की है मनमानी, अब के याद करेगा नानी, मचे जब फाग रे। होली खेले तो आइयो मोरे गाँव रे, होली खेले तो आइयो मोरे गाँव रे। अरे होली खेले तो आइयो मोरे गाँव रे। परम मनोहर जग से प्यारी राधे श्याम की जोड़ी,